Good early morning from the Albuquerque International Sunport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today, I'll be taking a very unique flight with Advanced Airlines on board their Beech King Air 350 to Angel Fire. Angel Fire is a new seasonal destination for Advanced Air, launched in December of 2024. They offer 2 round-trip flights operated by a King Air 350, which would be the first commercial air service Angel Fire has seen in almost 40 years. Unlike most of Advanced Air's route network, this is not an essential air service flight. Rather, it was made possible by a $1.4 million investment from the New Mexico Rural Air Service Enhancement Fund. I am very excited to try out this cool and unique new air service, so let's get right to it. My flight this morning is Advanced Air Flight 907 with nonstop service to Angel Fire, which is scheduled to depart gate C1 at 12:24 p.m. Advanced Air operates from a non-secure portion of ABQ known as the C gates or commuter gates. These are located just to the left of the escalator to the A and B gates down a small corridor. It's a small waiting area and 2 ground boarding gates. Here we are at gate C1. Boarding is scheduled for 12 o'clock noon. Advanced Air is now the only carrier occupying this space, which was once home to other small commuter airlines such as Boutique Air. It's comfy down here. There are a few spots to plug in your devices, and more than enough seating, plus a view of the ramp. Check-in opens about an hour prior to departure with Advanced Air. There is not a desk out in the lobby, so check-in is done here at the gate. By the way, this is the coolest boarding pass I've ever seen. My plane to Angel Fire is November 352 Papa X-Ray, a 15-year-old Beech King Air 350. This aircraft was delivered to a private owner in 2010 and flew for 2 more private owners before coming to Advanced Air in 2022. Should I just stay on board the aircraft, or?
Oh no, you can get off, walk around. There's like some really good snacks in the Angel Fire Airport.
Okay.
Just when they say, hey, time to board, just get on board.
Awesome. Okay, sorry.
But you're already checked in. So.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Well,
yeah. Advanced Air's King Air 350 fits 8 people in a spacious VIP club-style cabin, with 2 sets of 4 seats that face each other. There are no seat assignments. I chose to sit just at the root of the wing for this 45-minute flight to Angel Fire.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you all?
Good. Without a person in front of you, you have a lot of space to stretch out, and even if the seat was occupied, you can stretch out into the aisle no problem. To the side is an auxiliary plug panel and a fold-out table, both of which we will look at later. Each set of seats has 2 AC power outlets.
Alright guys, welcome aboard Advanced Air. My name is Ryan, first officer. Max in front there's your captain. Taking us up to Angel Fire this morning, or afternoon I guess. You're on a Beech King Air 350. There's SID cards in the seat back. You have information about the seatbelts, emergency safety system, emergency oxygen systems, but might be pretty bumpy going to Angel Fire. Let's get your instructions for exiting the aircraft. Wait, so you're outside the aircraft, you'll left check your exit. There are 3 emergency exits on board this aircraft. You're located right there over the wing, so you're going to pull the right handle down.
Snacks and drinks are complimentary and self-serve. They are stored in the center of the cabin between these sets of seats. With the engines already started and checklists being completed, please enjoy the views as we depart 20 minutes early off of Albuquerque's runway 03. table folds out by pushing in to unlock it, then pulling outward to extend. It leaves a lot of space for working or for enjoying the free snacks. The seatback pockets contain safety cards and in-flight magazines. Since most airlines have retired their in-flight magazines in favor of personal device entertainment, I always appreciate coming across one. There's always a lot of really fun stuff to read in here. This aircraft, along with a few other King Airs in the fleet, is equipped with a cabin management system. Above the table is a set of audio and video jacks for different devices. USB, HDMI are a few options here. These small devices at each seat control a number of items throughout the cabin, such as window tint, lighting, and music selection. As is standard on most business aircraft today, the seats on this King Air slide and swivel with a decent range of motion. Please enjoy our very scenic approach into Angel Fire, landing on runway 17. Okay, wow. I have nothing but nice things to say about Advanced Airlines. Allie, our ground service agent in Albuquerque, went above and beyond by making a personal connection with her two passengers. Our flight crew, Max and Ryan, were awesome and really made the flight experience that much better. They were enthusiastic about their work and really excited to have us on board. All three of these people were a blast to meet and speak with, and really made this a from start to finish amazing airline experience. I cannot wait to do it again. Thank you for watching this Nix Aviation trip report with Advanced Airlines. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.